What's up, everyone? This is going to be a super duper fast tutorial showing you how to convert a string into a const char pointer. This is useful if you're using a library and there are functions that don't take strings. So let's get into it. First, you're going to put hashtag include string at the top of your program. Then here I made a few example strings. After that, I declare my function that takes the const char pointer. After that, I define the function at the bottom, and I made it so it reads out the chars. And finally, I just called the function twice, and I used the .c_string function. And that's it. It converts it to the pointer char. And I hope this helps you guys with whatever you're working on. Good luck out there.